Hey everybody, it's Rexanne Collins with Market Realty, and I'm here today again with the unknown mortgage guy. And we want to talk today a little bit about the pre-approval process. And you know, as a real estate agent, I always urge my buyers to get their pre-approval. And that's kind of what we're going to talk about today, why it's important. So one of the things I always explain is, how can you know what property you need to be looking at if you don't even know what price you're approved for? So it's really, really, really important. It's also important, in my opinion, to work with a local person instead of a faceless person on a toll-free number. Just forget that. Work with a local person. So we want to talk about first, how easy is it to get pre-approved?
Oh, the pre-approval process is simple. It's a matter of having a phone consultation with a mortgage professional like myself and taking a few minutes to gather some information that we'll need.
Okay, awesome. So how long does it take to get pre-approved?
Typically, you could be pre-approved in about 15 or 20 minutes.
Wow, so a lot of buyers think it takes like 6 months to buy a house, but you're telling me it's only a matter of minutes to get pre-approved?
Yes, just a matter of a few short minutes with the right information. You can be pre-approved pretty quick.
Wow. So tell us a little bit about the process of getting pre-approved.
Well, it all starts with a phone introduction, a credit application, and some documents that we'll need, such as verification of your employment and your income. From there, it's just a matter of having the right mortgage professional working for you and analyzing and deciding what the best situation is for you and your family.
Wow. So what happens after you get pre-approved for a mortgage?
Well, once you're pre-approved, you need to go find a house, and you need to work with Rexanne.
You know, this is really fun. I know a lot of buyers think it's really a scary time, and it can be stressful if, you know, you're not working with a really good mortgage person and a realtor like myself who is really interested in helping you accomplish your goals. So I want to get you some information. So if you'll text my credit to 555-888, we're going to send you your home loan toolkit that's going to load you up with lots of information. Again, text my credit to 555-888 and we'll get this right to you. Thanks for joining us, and stay tuned for the next episode.